Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers for evaluation part from chapter 7 measurement of class 8th science from refresher course module book. First part, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is not a fundamental unit? Velocity. Option D is the right answer. Second one, unit of electric current. Option A is the right answer. Ampere. Third one, high density liquid is mercury. Its density 13,800 kilogram per meter cube. So it has high density. Fourth one, what is the value of 100 liters in 1 cubic centimeter? 1 lakh cubic centimeter. Option D is the right answer. Fifth one, the value of an astronomical unit is 1.496 in 10 power 11 kilometer. Option B is the right answer. Next, part 2, fill in the blanks. If the density of a solid is greater than that of a liquid, it will sink. Second one, Neptune is 30 astronomical unit away from the sun. Third one, the mass of an object can be found by multiplying its volume by density. Fourth one, the maximum volume of liquid that can be poured into a container is called the dash of container, that is capacity. Third part, say if the following is true or false. First one, the area of a square is length into breadth. This is false. We know that area of a square is side into side. Second one, the volume of a liquid depends on the space occupied by it. True. Third one, the lightness or of heaviness, the lightness or heaviness of an object depend on its density. True. Next part, answer the following. Are we using ancient unit system? If no, state the reason. We are not using ancient unit system, so answer is no. Reason, that's like cubit, fathom, இந்த முழம், இந்த ரெண்டு கை நீட்டி மார்பளவு அளக்கிறது. ஸோ அதெல்லாமே என்னன்னா ஏன்ஷியன்ட் யூனிட் சிஸ்டம். அது வந்து ஆளுக்கால் வந்து மாறும். ஸோ அந்த ஏன்ஷியன்ட் யூனிட் சிஸ்டத்தில் ஒரு ரிலையபிலிட்டி கிடையாது, ஒரு நம்பகத்தன்மை கிடையாது. ஸோ அதனால நம்ம அந்த ஏன்ஷியன்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணுறதில்ல. ஸோ இட் வேரிஸ் ஃப்ரம் இட்னா ஏன்ஷியன்ட் யூனிட் சிஸ்டம், இட் வேரிஸ் ஃப்ரம் பர்சன் டு பர்சன். Second one, what is the name of the unit system we use in daily life? SI unit system, International System of Unit System. Third one, how will you measure the area of the window in your home? So area of the window, area is equal to length of the window into breadth of the window. By using this formula, we can find the area. Fourth one, how will you measure the area of a triangular roof? That is, area is equal to half into base into height. So simply we can write half BH. Fifth one, what is the reason for a balloon floating in water? Balloon வந்து ஏன் தண்ணியில் மிதக்குதுன்னு சொன்னா, the density of air in balloon is lesser than that of liquid. Sixth one, how long is blink time of an eye? The time is 1 by 3 second or 0.33 second. Seventh one, Raghu walks 1 kilometer. In this, what is kilometer? 1 na numerical value, that is magnitude. Kilometer na unit. Appo kilometer is unit. Next, fifth part, match the following. Temperature, its unit Kelvin. Amount of substance, its unit mole. Volume, its unit cubic meter. Distance, one of the units is light year. Mass, its unit kilogram. Thank you, students.